Greetings, esteemed viewers. Today, we embark on an insightful journey into the realm of travel gear, specifically focusing on the top 5 best travel luggage in 2024. This comprehensive review will not only highlight the key features of each suitcase but also delve into their practicality, durability, and style. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The DELSEY Paris Chatelet Air 2.0 Hardside Luggage. This chocolate brown, check large 28-inch suitcase is a game changer for any journey. Number 4. The Level 8 Luggage Sets 2-piece, 28-inch hardshell suitcases sets. Number 3. The Samsonite Omni 2 Hardside Expandable Luggage. Number 2. The Level 8 Roadrunner Pro Carry-on Luggage. Number 1. The Hanke 20-inch carry.